lot of students ask me why front-end engineering and not full stack. So my simple answer is most students underestimate what it really means to be full stack. A full stack developer is, according to most students, is someone who knows front end and back end, but that's not true. Full stack is someone who knows it all. It means that you know front end, you know back end, you know DevOps, you know QA, you know databases, you know automation testing, you know APIs, you know security, you know authentication, you know a lot. You know everything. That's what it really means to be a full stack, like full stack developer engineer. So uh, it's almost impossible for someone to know that much. It's almost impossible. I mean, yeah. So that's why in our boot camp we chose to go deep instead of going broad. Again, I repeat, in our boot camps we go deep into front end than going broad to know a lot of topics. So you will be very good in front end, and then you will know all other technology good enough that you can actually answer the questions, but you won't be an expert in those. You'll be expert in front end engineering. So yeah, that's I just wanted to convey that.